Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. So today I want to share with you top 10 top tips and tricks to become a master of Microsoft Word. So let's check out tips and tricks master of the Microsoft Word. So here you go. Number one is copy paste and cut with keyboard shortcuts. Ask anyone who knows this shortcut at Control plus C2 copy, Control plus V2 paste, and Control plus X to cut, and they will testify to their critical time saving nature. Mastered these three basic commands first, and you will find yourself zooming through document creation at surprising speeds. Number two, quickly zoom in or out to save eye strain. Some people like to work in a word window zoomed into 150% while others like to eliminate the need to scroll left and right or up and down by zooming out to 75% to see a document in its entirety. Either way, use the window zoom button to choose the setting that works best for you, or look for the 100% tab with a slider or at bottom right of the document to easily zoom in or out. Number three, delete entire words at a time. This is an easy one you may not know about. Instead of slowly packing in at the keyboard to delete text or holding down backspace to eliminate the words or entire sentences, is press Ctrl plus backspace with the cursor placed after a word. You want to erase a word at a time, making a tedious ask much easier. Number four, use a smart lookup to search the internet. Anytime you highlight a word or press and right click it, you will see smart lookup, which serves as a quick shortcut to browse the web without slowing down to open a separate browser. Then number four, use a smart lookup to search the internet. Anytime you highlight a word or press and right click it, you will see a smart lookup, which serves as a quick shortcut to browse the web without slowing down to open a separate browser window. From word definitions to news scans, this powerful tool can transform a simple question into a wealth of knowledge. Number five, remove unwanted formatting. Trying to turn a document from an external source into something works for you. Strange formatting can slow you down. So instead of trying to fix one thing at a time, press Control plus space or click the clear all formatting button. In newer versions, erasers on the home tab to remove formatting from highlighted text and start fresh with your own style. Number six is tell the program exactly what you want to do. Most newer Your versions of Word include handy tell me what you want to do field at the top of the toolbar. Insert a word or phrase pertaining into any instruction, and the program can quickly identify the command you are looking for. Number 7, use multiple clicks to select chunks of coffee. Rather than employing the tedious drag and highlight method, you can use your mouse to select chunks of coffee. Double click over a word to highlight it, or triple click to highlight an entire sentence or selection. Number 8, quickly insert links into a document. Control plus K will save lots of time and quickly become one of the sharpest tool in your kit. Number 9, select the default font you want to note the default font word wants to you to see. Don't like Calibri or Cambria. Prefer Arial 2 times New Roman, or like the modern nature of but then the best part about Microsoft Word is you can choose the default font. This command differs by versions, but the most reliable way is to click format font or select the attributes you want, and then click default. Find any word you want quickly and easily instead of using your mouse to navigate to the find and command. Click Ctrl plus F to either open the window in older versions of Word, or move of the cursor automatically to the search in document and document menu that always appears in the toolbar in newer versions. Bonus tip: click the down drop down arrow on the find menus, magnifying glass, and click replace to automatically replace a certain word or phrase with a different word or phrase you specify. No matter that your level of proficiency with Microsoft Word, we could all use a boost to make our use of the program more productive and efficient. Curious about how the Office productivity suite can have an impact on your day-to-day operations. Wondering about whether it's time to upgrade your versions of Word? Have other tips and tricks that have revolutionized your use of the program.